old saloon with a smile on his face and mud on his shoes. He's just arrived to the crazy kangaroo. It was past noon as the sun burned bright and the wind was blowing. He was ready to fight. This all happened in 1892. Play some blues as he walked to the counter and he read the news. And the maid walked to him and asked him this:
"Well, I haven't seen your face here before, and do us a favor and clear the door. Leave right now if you don't want your face on the floor."
"Hey man, here's the thing, I've been writing for a year and I need a drink, so give me your finest milk in this here saloon." I heard some laughs from next to me and I turned my head, and what did I see? It was a band of drunk old crooks wearing red, white and blue. One of them came and took off my head and said, "My name's Cletus and I want my head back, so hand it to me now if you don't want to get hurt." They looked at each other and gave me a laugh, with no intention of returning me head. What does this rascal think he's gonna do? And that did it for me! Yeah!
Sir, are you out of your mind?
Cletus, you've earned yourself a statement. One man's head, smashed it on the table until he was dead, and that's when I realized I was kinda screwed. Oh man, what should I do? There's 6 old hogs and I can't beat 2. And suddenly I came up with a plan. Some booze on the real hot kind, I threw it on the floor and I lit it up, and as the flames grew wild I ran as fast as I could. I mounted my horse and I slapped its paw. The horse lost its mind and shook me off. That's when I knew I was totally screwed. Came up to the place and saw the ruins of the saloon behind the flames, and he said to himself, "Well, this is certainly something new." And I hid myself in a barrel of beer, and I hoped no one would find me from here. I reckon I couldn't leave anytime soon. Passed on, I remained in the barrel. I grew sick and tired of sipping his beer. Oh Lord, if I could only get some milk. So I've came to meet Victor.